This isn't just another coastal town. Zadar is where history, art, and the Adriatic Sea come together in unforgettable ways. Located on a small peninsula along Croatia's stunning Dalmatian coast, Zadar is a charming destination known for its ancient Roman ruins, medieval churches, vibrant squares, and one-of-a-kind waterfront attractions. Unlike some of Croatia's more crowded tourist cities, Zadar offers a relaxed yet lively atmosphere. Trendy cafes sit beside centuries-old stone buildings, museums reveal layers of history, and sunsets paint the Adriatic sky in spectacular colors. The city also serves as a perfect gateway to nearby islands and national parks, thanks to excellent ferry and transport connections. But what truly makes Zadar special is how it blends ancient heritage with modern creativity. Here you'll find Roman forums next to contemporary art installations powered by the sea and sun. In this guide, we're counting down 10 unforgettable experiences you shouldn't miss in Zadar, and trust me, the #1 attraction transforms the sound of the ocean into music. Let's begin. 10. Sea Organ. If there's one attraction that perfectly captures Zadar's magic, it's the Sea Organ. Located at the western tip of Zadar's Old Town, this extraordinary installation turns the power of the sea into music. Hidden beneath a series of wide marble steps are 35 underwater pipes that react to the movement of the Adriatic waves. As water flows through the pipes, it produces hauntingly beautiful melodies. Each note created naturally by the rhythm of the ocean, no two performances are ever the same. Visitors often sit along the steps listening to the gentle music while watching the sunset over the Adriatic. The atmosphere is peaceful, mesmerizing, and completely unique. Designed by Croatian architect Nikola Bosic and completed in 2005, the Sea Organ quickly became one of Zadar's most iconic attractions. It's not just art, it's an experience. 9. Greeting to the Sun. Just steps away from the Sea Organ, another fascinating installation lights up Zadar's waterfront. Greeting to the Sun is a spectacular circular artwork embedded directly into the promenade. Created by the same architect who designed the Sea Organ, this installation celebrates the relationship between nature, technology, and the universe. The large glass circle represents the sun and contains hundreds of solar panels that absorb energy throughout the day. When night falls, that stored energy transforms into a dazzling display of colorful lights. The installation illuminates the waterfront with vibrant patterns representing the solar system, creating a mesmerizing visual show that changes constantly. Visitors often walk across the glowing panels, taking photos and enjoying the lively atmosphere. Together with the Sea Organ, Greeting to the Sun makes Zadar's waterfront one of the most unique public spaces in Europe. 8. St. Anastasia's Cathedral. Standing proudly in the heart of the Old Town, St. Anastasia's Cathedral is the largest and most important church in Zadar. Consecrated in 1117, the cathedral was built on the site of an even older early Christian basilica. Its magnificent Romanesque facade features beautiful stone carvings, arched windows, and impressive architectural symmetry. Inside, visitors can admire early Christian mosaics, historic religious artworks, and a peaceful crypt beneath the altar. But one of the highlights is climbing the bell tower. From the top, you'll enjoy panoramic views over Zadar's terracotta rooftops, the Adriatic Sea, and the surrounding islands. It's one of the best viewpoints in the entire city. 7. Narodni Trg. People's Square. If you want to experience the lively heart of Zadar, head straight to Narodni Trg. Also known as People's Square, this historic square has served as the city's social and political center for centuries. Surrounded by elegant historic buildings and bright white stone paving, the square has a welcoming and vibrant atmosphere. Several important landmarks stand here, including the City Guard Tower, the City Loggia, and the charming Church of St. Lawrence, which dates back to the 11th century. Today, the square is filled with cafes where locals and visitors gather to relax, enjoy coffee, and watch the world go by. Street performances, cultural exhibitions, and public events often take place here, making it one of the most energetic places in the city. 6. Archaeological Museum of Zadar. History lovers will find endless fascination inside the Archaeological Museum of Zadar. Established in 1832, it is one of Croatia's oldest museums and houses an incredible collection of more than 100,000 artifacts. The exhibits cover a wide range of historical periods, from prehistoric settlements to Roman, Byzantine, and medieval civilizations. Visitors can explore ancient weapons, Roman mosaics, jewelry, ceramics, sculptures, and everyday objects that reveal how people once lived in the region. One particularly fascinating section features artifacts discovered in ancient noble tombs, offering rare insights into the lives of Zadar's historical elite. The museum provides a deep and engaging look into the long and complex history of this remarkable coastal city. 5. Roman Forum. Zadar's Roman Forum is one of the largest ancient Roman squares in Croatia. Originally built in the 1st century BC during the reign of Emperor Augustus, the Forum once served as the center of political, religious, and social life in Roman Zadar. Although parts of the structure were damaged during World War II, many impressive ruins remain today. Visitors can walk among ancient stone columns, foundations, and fragments that once formed temples, public buildings, and gathering spaces. Surrounding the Forum are several historic landmarks, including the famous Church of St. Donatus. Standing in this open archaeological site gives visitors a powerful sense of the city's Roman past. 4. Church of St. Donatus. One of Zadar's most recognizable landmarks is the Church of St. Donatus. Built in the 9th century, this remarkable structure is a masterpiece of early medieval architecture. The church's unique circular design makes it stand out dramatically among the surrounding buildings. Interestingly, much of the construction material came from the nearby Roman Forum, meaning ancient Roman stones were reused to create this impressive structure. Although religious services are no longer held here, the building now serves as a venue for classical music concerts and cultural events. Thanks to its excellent acoustics and historic atmosphere, concerts inside the church are truly unforgettable. 3. Land Gate. The Land Gate is one of Zadar's most magnificent historical monuments. Built in 1573, the gate once served as the main entrance to the fortified city during the Venetian period. Its design resembles a grand Roman triumphal arch, showcasing elegant Renaissance architecture. Above the entrance, you'll see the Lion of St. Mark, a symbol of the Venetian Republic that ruled Zadar for centuries. The gate commemorates the victory of the Holy League against the Ottoman Empire and stands as a powerful reminder of Zadar's strategic importance throughout history. Today, the Land Gate remains one of the most photographed landmarks in the city. 2. Museum of Ancient Glass. For something truly unique, visit the Museum of Ancient Glass. Located inside the historic Cosmosendi Palace, the museum displays a fascinating collection of Roman glass artifacts discovered across Croatia. Inside the galleries, you'll see beautifully preserved goblets, bottles, vials, and decorative glassware dating back nearly 2,000 years. One of the highlights is the live glass blowing demonstrations, where skilled artisans recreate ancient techniques right before visitors' eyes. From the museum's windows, you'll also enjoy scenic views overlooking Jezin Harbor, adding even more charm to the experience. It's a rare opportunity to witness both history and craftsmanship in one place. 1. St. Simeon's Church. And finally, one of Zadar's most remarkable treasures, St. Simeon's Church. At first glance, the church's bright orange and white exterior already makes it stand out among the city's historic buildings, but the real masterpiece lies inside. The church houses the sarcophagus of St. Simeon, an extraordinary work of art commissioned in 1377. This magnificent chest is made of silver and gold and features intricate scenes depicting the life, death, and miracles of the saint. The craftsmanship is breathtaking, with detailed engravings and decorations that reflect the incredible skill of medieval artisans. For centuries, this sacred relic has been one of Zadar's most treasured religious and artistic artifacts. Seeing it up close is truly unforgettable. Final thoughts. Zadar is a city where ancient history meets modern creativity. From Roman ruins and medieval churches to innovative waterfront art installations, every corner of the city tells a fascinating story. Whether you're exploring historic squares, relaxing by the Adriatic Sea, or listening to the music of the waves at the sea organ, Zadar offers experiences unlike anywhere else in the world. If this guide helped you discover the best things to do in Zadar, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone you'd love to travel with. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next adventure.